Building AI-powered workflows in Asana is easier than ever with pre-built rules. You can use ready-to-go rules to automate common workflow steps with AI. From triaging incoming work to drafting responses. Let's see how to use pre-built rules to transform an IT team's ticketing workflow. The IT team at Phoenix Corp uses this project to manage IT bugs submitted by employees throughout the company. The team spends a lot of time determining if requests have enough information and tracking down the missing information they need. Let's navigate to the rule gallery and add the Check for Missing Information pre-built rule to streamline this step in the IT ticketing workflow. The rule is simple. When tasks are added to the project, AI will determine if the requests are missing information. If they are, AI will ask relevant follow-up questions to the submitter to get the answers it needs. Adding a pre-built rule incorporates it immediately into your workflow. Here's the rule in action. When an IT request is submitted, a new task is added to the project, triggering the rule. AI then analyzes the request to determine if there is any missing information. Since there is missing information, AI asks clarifying questions in a task comment. While pre-built rules will work right away, they can and should be edited to be tailored to your workflow. Within AI Studio, you'll see the rules structure is already filled in. AI is applied in the condition of this rule to check if requests are missing information, and in the action of the rule to add a comment to the task. The Use AI variable tells AI where it will be asking clarifying questions. There are also clear instructions to AI, telling it its job and how to assess requests for completeness. I'll edit the instructions, updating AI with the information that needs to be in each IT bug request. There are other ways to optimize AI's performance in your workflow, like adding attachments to reference, or changing the AI model. After editing a rule, save it and test it out again. This time, AI asks a relevant question about what steps the request submitter has taken to resolve the issue. And if you're ever curious about the decisions AI is making, check its reasoning. The question was asked because AI could find no details in the task about the steps the user attempted to solve the issue. With any pre-built rule you want to try out, simply add it to your workflow, test it out, and iterate on it to meet your needs. There are a number of other pre-built rules that could be added to the IT bug intake workflow. Automatically name tasks to rename form submissions to align with the IT team's naming conventions. Check for duplicates to ensure the same IT bug hasn't been submitted twice. And summarize completed work to report back to the bug submitter on how their issue was resolved. As you work with pre-built rules and optimize them to meet your team's needs, you'll learn how to craft effective AI instructions and build AI-powered workflows. Preset rules take care of the time-consuming parts of workflows that don't require human expertise, allowing your team to focus on the strategic work that matters. To learn more about incorporating AI into your workflows, head to the Asana Academy.